The new generation Lexus NX has been revealed and will be available exclusively as a hybrid SUV. While the new Lexus NX isn't a huge visual change from the old car, it certainly has a more aggressive look. The short overhangs give the NX a boxy attitude, and you can have wheels up to 20 inches in size. At the rear, a new LED light bar spans the width of the car with separate slatted units pushed out on either side. The usual Lexus badge is also gone, with space letters taking its place. One of the areas that the Lexus NX has seen a complete overhaul is on the inside. Lexus calls it the Tizuna cockpit, which is said to be more driver-oriented while giving passengers a better sense of space. This is done with a circular dashboard and center console, and a center view that leads to the driver's seat. There's also a completely new infotainment system. The old Lexus trackpad is gone, replaced with a large 14-inch touchscreen. For better or for worse, it now plays host to climate control as well, plus offers support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. If you prefer not to use your phone, the built-in satellite navigation uses cloud services to provide live traffic data and stay up to date without the need for any data plan. Topping the range is the plug-in hybrid NX 450h Plus, which borrows the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, same as 350GH, and the battery from the Toyota RAV4 plug-in. It produces a total of 306 horsepower. You can also cover up to 43 miles in electric-only mode from the N450, with the battery taking 5 hours and 30 minutes to charge using a home-mounted wall box. You will be able to recover energy while driving too.